Hi guys, I'm Emma. So today I'm going to be showing you around all the different study spaces that you can find on campus. So these can be from lecture theatres, seminar rooms, workshops, study spaces, and of course, right here, the library. So in comparison to college, there's a few more rooms that you'll end up in. It's not going to be the same 1 or 2 classrooms. University is definitely a lot more varied. So come with me and we can check them out. So here we are, ready to go for a lecture. So lectures can last around 1 to 2 hours, maybe longer, depending on what you're studying. So be sure to turn up with a notebook, a pen, a laptop. As you can see, it gets pretty packed, so make sure you arrive on time and take those notes. So we just picked up a coffee, our lecture's just finished, so now we're heading over to the seminar. So come along with us to find out what it's all about. So right now I'm in a seminar. These are slightly different to lectures in the fact that it's smaller groups and you get more of a bit of a one-to-one with the lecturer. So you can run through whatever you're studying on your course at that time. They usually last about an hour. I've never been to a seminar longer than an hour, but they're actually really useful. You can have a chat in groups, you can work together as a group, and it's just a really good way to have a catch-up. So aside from the lecture halls, the seminar rooms and the library, there's also some really unique little study spaces hidden around the campus. So right now I'm in the Newton building on the 2nd floor, and as you can see behind me, it's a really cute little quiet place to study where you can relax and just work at your own time. But I'm done for the day now. I've just been here for like an hour, so I'm going to go head home and chill out with some friends. So see you later.